Hey, I heard a little story about a sale during Labor Day. Shh. It's so massive that it's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get the sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get the sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get the sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get the sale. It's time for sale. Young nails. Get the sale. Young nails. Young nails. Labor Day sale is here. This is one of the biggest sales of the year. We've got new product launches and bundles and blowouts. Check this out. Store-wide 30% off. Every single SKU in our entire system is going to be 30% off. Again, one of the biggest sales of the year. Cannot miss it. Product launch number 1. New tips. We've got the XL Square Noel Tip 550 pack.
That's quite a mouthful.
I know. We're working on it.
But check out this deal. You buy the new tips and you also get a clear fiber gel, all 40% off. The price, $27.54. We're also launching the full cover XL Square Tips, 550 Packaroo-Stonians. This is also $34.95, but at launch, we're doing a special deal. Get this plus the OG fiber gel, 40% off, $27.54, son. Finally, we're launching full cover toe tips, 550 pack. Regular price of these babies is $29.95, but at launch, you're gonna get this plus the OG fiber gel, 40% off, $24.54. Do not miss these tip bundle deals. They're launching Labor Day. It's gonna be insane. Next new product launch. Young Nails new Striper Gels Metallic Edition. We've got 6 new colors launching just for you. This is going to launch at 30% off at the delicious price of $45.99. These are limited edition. You want to make sure to get these at launch. This sale, these are going to be fantastic for the fall and especially the holiday season. The next bundle deal we got for you, Precision Applicator, Concealer Blush, Rose Quartz, and Silver Hollow. This 3-pack is only $80. The regular price of each of these is $54.95. You get all 3 for $80. Next bundle deal, Precision Applicator Concealer Peach, Precision Applicator Concealer Pink, plus Precision Applicator White Sculptor. Again, all 3 for $80. Do not forget, we've got new blowout deals. These are gonna be exceptional deals, limited quantity. I think we've got close to 50. Do not miss the blowouts. Labor Day sale starts August 30th at 5:30 Pacific Standard Time. 5:30, new time, and goes all the way to Monday, September 4th, 11:59 p.m. That is Labor Day. That will be the last day you can get all these delicious products. So do not miss it. 30% off store-wide, plus the crazy bundles, and also blowout deals. Don't miss this sale. And if there's one thing that I can tell you, it's this. Check this out. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get the sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get the sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get the sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get the sale. males. Get the sale. Young males.